So the only leak I have is from me being silly and forgetting to tighten this here hose clamp onto this bolt for the vent because I don't have my overflow on there. Everything else appears to be bone dry. Let's check transmission and transcooler. Both appear to be dry. No drips. That's good there. You can hear the little minions tapping away in there. This thing successfully ran on turbos. I do have to get my overflow attached because right now that's my only issue. Yeah. Or just remember to screw that in.